welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the Itel P17 Pro and probably running a quick unboxing video on it. So let's quickly dive into the video. It comes with a red box. Let's quickly open this up and know what we have inside the box. On the first layer of the box is the phone itself. Moving on to the second layer, you get the plastic transparent case, the USB 2.0 cable, the earpiece, the charger, and that's all you get in the box. Before getting into the review, please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, consider hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I drop any content like this one. On top of the phone are the audio jack and the charging ports. The left hand side is empty, while on the right hand side are the volume rocker keys and the power button, while the bottom houses the microphone. If you noticed, there wasn't any SIM card tray on the Itel P17 Pro, and I guess that's why they didn't include the SIM injector tool in the box. So in order for you to access the SIM card and the SD card slots on the Itel P17 Pro, you first have to remove the back cover of the phone. All the edges of the Itel P17 Pro are well carved out, so you won't have any issues while sliding it into your pocket or your purse. The Itel P17 Pro runs on Android 11, the Go edition, with 1.4 GHz alongside with the Mali T820. So it supports face unlock, fingerprints unlock, and 4G connectivity. The phone comes with a resolution of 480 by 960 pixels, amounting to a pixel density of 226 ppi. And a screen to body ratio of 72.7%. Itel P17 Pro weighs about 289 grams and a size of 5.45 inches. On the front, you get a 2 megapixel selfie camera, while the rear consists of 5 megapixel camera, AI lens, and the LED flash. So right now I'm recording with the Itel P17 Pro, and this is how the front camera looks like. I don't know what I would say about this, but tell me in the comment section what you think about this camera and the sound quality. Moving on to the storage department. Since I have known Itel, their standard storage of device is 1 gig RAM. But I think they really went out of their way this time around to make it up to 2 gig RAM. But still, the 2 gig no reach. So if you're looking forward on getting this device, you're getting a 2 gig RAM of storage and 32 gigabytes of internal storage. Again, should be the battery life. The Itel P17 Pro backs up with a 4000 mAh battery and a 5 watts charger, which added 5% to the battery life after 5 minutes of charge. For the prices of the Itel P17 Pro, you can get this particular device at the price of 40,000 naira or $96. But this particular one here, I got it at the price of 38,000 naira, which is $92. Coming to my thoughts about this device, I would definitely say that the Itel P17 Pro is not the device for you. Whereas it can serve as a gift or a Christmas gift, Valentine gift for your grandma or your grandpa over there in the village. Trust me, they will really do appreciate it. And that's all about the Itel P17 Pro. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, consider hitting the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I drop any content like this one. See you soon.